Hi you guys, welcome back. This is Jana here. So last week we have made a very nice dish using the TVP, texture soy protein, and the TSP, whatever you want to call it, the soy meat. And you guys loved it and you kept asking me for another recipe using that. And that's what we're going to make today. We're going to make a dish very common in Japan. I will link down below or right down here the place, the prefecture, because I don't remember right now where it's from. But if you want to make, like, mark my words, okay? Now listen to me. If you want to make a single dish that is going to impress people, they're going to think that you're like, oh my God, it's both exotic and simple to make. You make this. Make this for your guests. Make this for your friends. Make this for your family or for yourself. Because this is freaking darn easy, okay? So let's go to the recipe. But before, don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell button so you get notified every time I make a new video. Let's go. And we're going to start by making a basic stir fry. No, we're just going to saute a few vegetables, and we are not going to rehydrate the TSP, the TVP, the soy protein, because this is the key for this dish to be outstanding, okay? Forget the rehydrating part. I'll show you how to do it. On a pan, whatever kind of pan you want, even a wok will work, a little bit of oil or water, okay guys? The ones of you who are not consuming, I was gonna say alcohol, oil, you can add water, no problem. Just control the heat a little bit more because the water tends to evaporate easier and faster than the oil, because oil doesn't evaporate. So as soon as it's hot, you add your veggies. It's supposed to be a mirepoix, but I didn't have any celery, so it's just onions and any kind of it's just carrots and any kind of onions that you want, and a bay leaf. Saute for 1 minute. I don't want color here, because we are going to add the soy protein right away. And that's going to seal all that not so pleasant taste the soy has. Now we are going to saute for 2 minutes, medium heat. Now you can add some garlic powder, soy sauce, and now you add ketchup, curry powder, those simple curry powders that you buy at the supermarket. I know, right? Japanese food and curry powder, but trust me, this is the bomb. And the secret ingredient for this food, which I made and I'm going to share with you how I made, tonkatsu sauce. It's a very proper Japanese sauce, and but I recreated a vegan version, and here's how I made it. You will add to a bowl Worcestershire sauce, very difficult word by the way, soy sauce, ketchup, mushroom sauce, optional, you don't have to do that. I added for a little bit more extra umami, but if you don't have it, forget about it. And a little bit of sugar. Mix it all together, put it into this very cute jar, and happy days, ready. And we added to this recipe 1.5 tablespoons. All right, 2 minutes. Now we come with our vegetable broth, and we're going to add like little by little. And we want the soy like now. We want it to rehydrate. I know, you're scratching your head like this is not going to work, but trust me, this will work and you're going to love it. It's going to save you time in the kitchen, and I promise you, you're going to look at the soy protein in another way, just like I did. More vegetable broth. And ready. Okay, so these took about 6 minutes to be ready, 6-7 minutes to be ready. And now we're going to the second step, which is a bechamel sauce. I made it a very simple one, and I will link down below if you want to know how it's made. But basically, I mixed the vegan butter with flour, and then I mixed it until it was cooked. It's about 3-4 minutes, and then I added cold plant-based milk. In this case, I used the oat milk because that's what I had available, but any kind of plant-based milk you want. Salt and nutmeg and a pinch of black pepper, and that was it. Soy protein, it's widely available. I mean, I think this is the oldest mock meat available in the market. I think it dates from the 50s or something like that. And it's super cheap. It's super easy to find, and it lasts for a long time in your pantry. So that's why I'm going back to basics here. And now no more talking, because you guys complain sometimes that I talk too much. I try to hold myself, but sometimes I can't, because I'm Brazilian. We like to talk. And then we're going to put this under the broiler for 5 minutes, or you can leave it in the oven for 20 minutes in a low heat. But because everything here is cooked already and I don't want the rice to dry, I'm going to put it under the broiler. The broiler. Let's go. Look what I have here. I lack qualities and good things to say, just like now, about it, because it's so good. You have to make it. I promise you, people are gonna love you even more if you make this. And just a little bit of parsley for a little bit of extra color. It can be green onions, also very good with Asian food. I'm going to serve this. And here we go for the taste test. I can't wait. Oh my God. Oh, this is so comforting, so exotic, so delicious, so sophisticated. It looks so nice, and this is my gift to you guys. Now seriously, kids are gonna love it as well. And although it looks spicy based on all the spices that I put on, it's not. It's very delicate. Of course, you can spice it up a little bit and add some hotness. I didn't want to do it because I want it very smooth and very delicate and elegant. And this is it for today, guys. Thank you so much for spending time with me. And don't forget to check on my merch. I have nice mugs there for you, and I have nice shirts. Some of the profit is going to be donated for my local animal shelter. And this is it. Don't forget to follow me on my social media. And for my patrons, guys, I love you. And if you want to know how to become a patron, click there. And I see you next time. Have a great week. Bye-bye.